Being a champion comes with lots of responsibilities, one of them being accountability. The report card feature in Followup is one great way to hold your team accountable. In this video, I'm going to break down how to leverage this tool. To get started, click on the Report Card tab at the top. From here, you can filter by user and individually see what activities that user has done that week or whichever time frame you select. Once you've selected the dates and the user, click Apply. From here, you can see how much they bid, the contract secured, and the sales behavior summary. Each of these sections can be expanded by clicking on the plus sign icon to the left. Underneath the sales behavior summary, you can click on the plus sign to expand and see what specific projects the user has been working on. So you can see here all the comments that were made on these individual projects, and if you wanted to click into one of these, you could do so by clicking on the individual project that will take you directly to the file where you can view more information such as notes, scheduled activities, and more. You also have the option to view the report card as a company whole by filtering it over here and clicking Apply. However, when viewing the data this way, you aren't able to see who completed which activity. This is why we recommend filtering by specific users. We recommend tracking this once a week to prevent users from falling behind. This is also a great tool to use during your weekly or bi-weekly meetings to allow for complete transparency.